catch any tonight, I'll make a video. If not, then I won't.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's a monster.
Yeah. Hey, Tyler. Tyler is Jeff. Jeff is Tyler. This is our crew for the night. We'll get them.
What kind of hunting do you do up there in Alaska? You're a hunter, I'm assuming?
I hunt, yeah. I do a lot of moose hunting. Usually do a deer hunt every year.
Are you allowed to shoot more than once in a lifetime then?
A moose? Yeah. Oh yeah, we shoot moose every day.
Okay. What do you do with that much meat there? Like?
Well, you share it. I think we should do this in Whittier next year. Put up the blow-up snowman. Picking up some live bait. This is kind of cool. No sabiki rigs here, man. Just bait. Love it.
It's so much better, right?
This is way better.
He's visiting from Alaska.
That's crazy when you get people from like Florida, Alaska, and they see this operation. They're like, dude, you don't have to make your own bait.
Yeah.
I know, like 2 hours making your own bait.
We're like frozen.
That's it.
Oh my
Let's
God.
go fishing.
Jeez.
24/7, 365.
So when you bait big crab pots, it's always frozen, and you just take a hatchet and just start beating shit out of it until you end up with just like you're trying to do, just little pieces.
I'm convinced that these are the best bait.
Oh man, I mean they're just wiggling still. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah. Stack line.
That's some fresh bait. Captain Lewis fixing the line here. Phew.
This is about where we're going to drop our first one. Go ahead, let her rip. All right, let her go. All right, let her go. And then usually I'll grab the buoy. That works. I wouldn't throw the buoy like that.
I was just thinking the same thing.
You could throw the buoy now.
I like that.
We're committed to this line now.
Yeah. I see you got it there. Follow it.
Go for it. You guys are doing great. See our blinkers out there all lined up? I love that. So what we'll do is we'll set the first one, and then you do all 10, and it takes like 15 minutes, right? And then so in my mind, the first one's already been soaking for 15 minutes.
Yep.
And then we'll come out here, hang out, have beer, and then I usually wait 30, 45 minutes, depending on how ambitious I feel or just whatever. And then how patient I am. And then we'll go back around and pick up the first one.
Okay.
And then another 15, 20 minutes to get to the end.
Yeah.
Right, so they're soaking for about an hour-ish.
Okay.
And this is the moment of truth. There's a lot of empty, so don't get discouraged if there's a or there's a mother keeper! Oh, baby. Yeah! Woo! Oh, there's at least 3 keepers in there.
Nice.
Ooh.
Nice.
3 keepers in our
That's freaking bad. There it is. Lewis is pulling. Gonna pull us up some lobster. Oh, there's a keeper.
That's a keeper.
Yeah. Got to buy you a boat hook for your birthday.
I know.
So somebody doesn't stab themselves, mainly me.
There's red. I don't know if there's keeper. It doesn't. I mean, that one's small. That one's small.
I'll just throw it back.
So where's the new blinker?
Right there.
We haven't pulled out one empty yet. I don't want to jinx it, but this is great.
There's some red in there.
Is there? Oh, I see red.
That's a big one.
That's a keeper. That's what we want.
So here's the, since you're standing out here, here's the crabber look. So they're at the block, right? And most of those crab
Oh, holy, that's fucking a good haul. Holy. Smallest one of the net. That's a keeper. Oh, dude, you have fucking crazy with you and your no gloves like that.
Yeah. Just look at the two. This one's bigger. Can you measure this one more time? I just want to be 1,000% sure. That one's a keeper too. That's a keeper. This is so set your guide. This is a keeper.
That's crazy. Yeah, that looks
now it puts things in perspective of how big those other ones are. I see red. That's a keeper.
Big one.
And what's the other one? How's the other one? The other one's small. Oh, that's a fatty. Can you just feel the girth?
Oh yeah. Oh, he's girthy.
Yeah.
He's girthy.
Wait till we get a giant one. You'll be like, holy.
All right, go for it.
Little. Oh, there's a keeper. That's a nice one. Keeper. Perfect.
Oh.
Best night ever. Woo! Woo!
Oh. Lewis, you gotta come to Alaska. You'd freaking get off on all the shit that we do. The freaking shrimping and
Oh man, I will.
it's like,
You know what? You see water is out, right?
yeah, exactly. Pulling gear, baby.
What? Oh,
No, I think
that's
pretty
measurable.
close.
That's totally measurable. I thought we almost had our first. Empty. We haven't got an empty yet, have we?
Nope.
That's as close as it gets. The fishing game pull really tight. That's a keeper. I'm pulling tight, and it's still good.
I'm with you.
That's in our, it looks small because we're so used to those big ones, huh?
So I'm kind of scared to go in tonight.
Can you leave them out here overnight, or is there's no reason to do that
you
really?
gotta stick around.
You do, okay.
That's what, yeah.
Yeah, because we set shrimp ponds and we leave them for 6, 8, 10, 12, 24,
Well, that's
48.
We're not allowed to do that. In fact, we're supposed to put our phone number, we're supposed to put our name and our like
Everything, yeah.
go ID number on there.
Right.
So we can all supposed to do.
Yeah, we have to have all that on ours too. I mean, lots of guys will set theirs on Sundays and then go to town.
I would love that. We're gonna
We gotta get our first empty. Nope, it's a big. Dude, we haven't had one empty. That's our 9th net, and we haven't had one empty yet. Dude. Not one empty. That was number 90. We didn't have one.
Got one
empty.
right here. Pulling gear, baby. Pulling gear.
On the starboard side again.
There it is. Another keeper.
10 for 10.
10, buddy, right
10
there.
for 10.
10 for 10. 10 for 10.
10 for 10.
So, I wasn't going to say it until we pulled that up. It might have something to do with the pulling crew.
Oh, it's totally
You see how fast we're pulling
You
there?
guys are doing great. You guys are as good as it gets. Yeah. All right, we got it. That's a new one right there. Yeah, baby.
And she peels off like 600 feet of line. Goes back to 300 feet, but 300 feet that way too, right? And he's just like, and it was really cool. Scott gets it almost to the top and pulled a total pro move. We're getting up there about 40 feet. Then I freaking harpoon him, and those guys are like, what'd you just do? I'm like, just a harpoon through its head. It's not going anywhere. I got a 3/8" rope on it We're now. not going through this again.
Yeah.
Then Keith wanted to wrestle. I'm like, no, you wrestling on my boat, Keith. He wants to bring it a freaking 100-pound helmet right through your way. Got it in my eyeballs. Here it goes.
All right, we got a plan?
Got a plan.
All right.
All right, Tyler, you ready?
Yep.
Oh, whoa, stop. Let's go home. I don't want to get 0.
There's one in there. Measuring stick. That's pretty small.
Oh, he's measurable. Yeah, short by a 16th or an 8th.
Oh, nice.
Oh, he had 2. Oh, 2 keepers.
Look at the size of that.
That's the biggest one of the night,
That's
maybe.
the biggest one.
All right.
Holy. Yeah, it's not slow. It's not worth that, right?
No, that's as close as it gets.
That one's a keeper. That's a big one in there.
Negative, senor.
There we go. And it has one in it. It's a keeper.
Well, that's a nice one.
That's a big fish right there, baby.
That is a fatty.
That might be the biggest.
That might be the biggest one of the night. That's the biggest one of the night. That's the biggest one of the night.
That's freaking so cool. Damn it, dude.
Oh, second empty. It happens. It happens. Empties happen. You guys are funny with the double pull. That's not common.
Dude, that's how you do it. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Well, we'll see what happens there. Not seeing it yet.
Zip zero. Oh, that's a key. That's tiny. You said baby.
Here it comes.
Crabbies.
This one's mine, right? Yeah.
I've been here plenty of times where we're like, what do we do when we get over limits? And then we get like 0 on the last set.
Yeah, exactly.
I've been here plenty of times, so I'm not excited. Well, I'm here to see like
Well, we have a backup.
what'll happen.
We have a contingency plan right now.
Where's your grill?
Yeah.
No.
No, you have to eat it raw.
I heard a story where like guys were catching shorts and eating them and throwing the shells out, so they didn't have any evidence. And
Oh,
someone
geez.
on another boat reported them. They said the fishing game sent a diver down,
Oh, geez.
pulled all the carapaces and tails off the
Yeah.
bottom.
Not
busted those
possession
guys.
Get a limit. Yeah, that's.
They busted them.
You have to be careful. There's a herring watcher right around the corner here.
Karen,
Yeah.
how many Karens are watching us? The wind has died down. It turned beautiful. We brought all these jackets and everything. Every time I get out here, thinking it's gonna be super cold. It's always nice. Couple beers, little exercise. It feels good.
I'm gonna smash him.
They'll all fit in one net. If you want to put one net here, just put them in the net. You could fit 21 in there easy.
Oh, okay.
Any keeper, we'll stick it in here. If it's the first 6 for sure.
Yeah.
Here we go.
The first 6 we're gonna put right in there. And not even
The
think
next
about it.
12, we'll figure it out.
The next 12, we're just gonna put them in there. And like, no, if it's a fairly keeper, we won't keep it because we'll know it's not a quell.
You need to get that on tape. That was good. The first 6.
There you go. 30
Six-ish.
seconds.
So the first 6 goes in here. Then the
After
next
that-
12 we throw back.
That's right.
Okay, all right.
We're
Got it.
very optimistic tonight. Very optimistic. Are we happy? Oh, what the? That's. There you go. That's one. 5 more. That's a keeper. Good job. See? Pull fast. Catch keeper. Measurable. Might be the short. Dude, this is the worst set I've ever had on this pier. Short. Oh, same size as that last one.
That's crazy how they just
He was close,
almost,
though.
yeah.
He was really, really close.
You sure we're not a grower?
Yeah.
Can you like triple count? Dude, seriously? Never. This is the one. This is the one. Oh no. Lame. That's a keeper. Oh, I don't know. Strong measurable. He could be good. He's.
Well, I think it is. I'll let you measure. That's really close, but it's landing on there.
Yeah, we're just so used to those monsters. You pull tight. That's a keeper. That's a solid keeper. I can't even push it down. All right.
We got 10.
Yeah.
We got 10.
So 18, huh?
Ish. I think one of those counts as 2.
That's what I count as. Here's some fat. It's like fleas, like sand fleas. Might as well be catch.
Delicious sand, please.
Hold on here.